how to cancel Uber One subscription within the Uber Eats app. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily cancel your Uber One subscription so that you no longer get charged within the Uber Eats app. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So first, open up Uber Eats, then select the little person icon on the bottom right of the app. This will bring you to your account on Uber. Simply scroll down until you see Uber One, select Uber One. Then in here, all you need to do is select Manage in the top right. Now just scroll all the way down to the bottom, select End Membership, and then give them a reason why you want to cancel and end your Uber One membership. Select Continue to Cancel, then just select Continue to Cancel again. Then they'll give you an offer for Uber One. Go ahead and select End Uber One. They'll then bring you back to the main Uber One screen within the app, and they'll let you know that your subscription ends in how many days and that you can renew it if you want to. So that's how you cancel Uber One within the Uber Eats app. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.